Oh, she juicy. Hey Lamb fam, your girl Ambalamb is back. I recently posted a video talking about the scary truths of going into influencing. I'm kind of gonna self-promo myself right now. After you watch this video, I really recommend you check out my previous upload describing some truths that unfortunately no one on the internet is talking about, and it's a very serious issue. This video, however, is going to dive a little bit deeper, and I'm going to give you 3 solid things you need to consider if influencing is going to be a serious business for you. Number 1, know your why. Why do you want to be on Instagram? Are you an artist? Do you want to educate? Do you want to be a part of a community? Do you want to bring awareness to an issue? Do you want to find people like yourself in a niche community and bring light to the interests that you guys have? If I had to give you just one nugget of wisdom to set yourself not only apart, but to give yourself a chance to be found, is to have a purpose behind your gram. Not everyone is in social media to make great content. Some people just want bragging rights of followers. If that's who you are, that's okay. Just recognize it's gonna be short term for you. We're in a time where social media platforms are consistently updating, so growing authentically is a challenge. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like it isn't, because I definitely had my fair share of it. What assisted in my growth was having intentional, purposeful content. If you're just a pretty face, hate to break it to you, but Instagram isn't scarce on beautiful people. Number 2, research. This is the hardest of everything I'm gonna give you today. If you really wanna grow and grow consistently, you need to be an actual member of the community. Find your audience. Find others like yourself who are creating content. If your content and the influence you find have similar audiences, similar interests, it's worth reaching out. I cannot even begin to tell you how long I went before I decided to reach out to others like myself. I feel like we get so scared and insecure with ourselves and what we bring to the table because it's the internet space. Great friend of mine, Thrifts and Tangles, I'm going to shout her out in this video. The best piece of advice she ever gave me was, social media causes you to be social. You have to be social within social media if you want an authentic audience. Collaborations, get-togethers, meet and greets. It's as simple as a DM. What do you have to lose by sending out a DM to someone like yourself? They might share their secrets with you. They might share you to their audience.
Connections, connections, connections.
Finding that audience of people might reveal more to you than you could ever imagine. They'll show you what content they want to consume. They'll show you the kind of things that they enjoy watching and following and engage with. Targeting that audience you want, researching them, will actually bring you a more authentic engagement long term. And number 3, make content worth following. Make it quality, you guys. If that means spending a little extra time on an outfit, a theme, a setting, an environment you want to be seen in, what do you like to watch? And what are the little details that influencer puts into their content? Use them as inspiration for your content. I'm gonna list some of my favorite creators who make content to help influencers and creators create awesome content. Putting it out there for the world to see always rises the number of chances for you to be discovered. So get your content out. Before I close this video, this is in partnership with a new e-course program to help beginning influencers get their start in the business of influencing. It's a brand new e-course program that launched this week called For the Gram. I am so proud to be promoting this program. Not only is she my good friend, but she is my family. My cousin, Life by MJ, has just launched an e-course. MJ is very honest and real of what it takes to be an influencer today and make real money. Yes, real money. Anyone can begin doing this, and she gives you the real tools. There's no gimmicks, there's no facade and secrets or shade. She breaks down what is happening currently on the platform. And if you have wanted this for yourself, I highly encourage you to please check out my affiliate link down below. It will give you all the information. If you're not quite sure if the program is for you, that's okay. just follow her Instagram. You'll see what I mean. Subscribe to my channel if you're brand new to seeing my face and you're interested in like digital culture. My channel is the place where we discuss all things in the digital culture and fangirl about it together. Your girl is still uploading every day this month. I've not said this on camera, but I've mentioned it in my comments. I want us to use the peach emoji below in the comments to show our love. It's our version of the heart emoji. But instead of using the heart, I love the peach. Because one, it's such a cute emoji. I mean, just like, look at it. That thing is so cute. It's actually spit off of one of my favorite Hallmark cards I ran into one day, which stated, I love you with all my butt. I'd say my heart. Reality is my butt is bigger. Yeah, so the peach is like an abundance of love. That's how I treat it. And like, ain't nobody complaining about a cute little booty.
Peach season is here and raw and juicy.
Okay, I'm getting carried away. Thank you so much for watching my whole video. It means a lot to me. Please give it a like if you found this actually useful. And any feedback below for future uploads, let me know. And until next time, take care. Bye.